Good morning children and welcome to the class of science. Children, as you know that we are studying chapter number 11, that is force, work and energy. And in my previous video children, we have already studied about force and we have covered a little bit of work, the topic work. And in relation to the same topic, we are going to study work in machines. And in today's class children, we are going to know what is a lever and what is a pulley all about. So children, these are again, you can say, the two things which are making your work easy. So for you, these two things are very new, and to make you understand, I will do an activity for you to know what is a pulley. So just try to understand first what is a lever. Children, a lever is a simple machine that can be used to lift or move heavy objects, cut things or open the lid of a tin. These are the way the lever works. Children, let us see what are the example of lever. You can say a spoon, a pair of scissors and a long rod. For you to understand children what is a lever, you can just see your own textbook. Children, here you can see the textbook, and as you can see there is a boy who is trying to open a tin box here. And children, if you try to open a tin box with your own hands, with your own fingers, it's quite difficult to open the tin box. But children, if you try to open the lid of the tin box with the help of a spoon, it is quite easy for you to open the lid. And you must try this. You know, if you try to open it with the help of a spoon, the lid opens very easily. You don't have to apply much of effort, much of work you don't have to do. It is quite easy to open the lid with the help of a spoon. So children, here another lever is shown to you, that is a scissor, which is used in your daily life children and commonly used by you to some or the other work which you need to cut, and this is also called a lever. Children, in the third picture you can see a man who is trying to push a huge piece of rock. Children, if he would like to push this piece of rock with his own hands, I don't think it is easy for him to push because it's very heavy. So for this children, what he is using? He is using a stick and just tilting it in front. And as he is using this stick, it is quite easy for him to push the rock ahead and move it from one place to another. So these three examples children are making you understand what is the lever all about. So children, here I am holding a piece of paper in my hand, and with the help of this scissor, this is again a lever which is going to help me to cut this piece of paper. And children, with the help of this piece of paper is cut with the help of a scissor. So again, try to understand children, this scissor is also a lever which is used in your daily life to cut things and cut things very easily. So again, try to imagine how this scissor is used in your daily life, and you are using it for cutting paper, you are cutting cloth, any other thing which you would like to cut with the help of this scissor. So this is again a lever. And third example children which I have explained you is a stick. And with the help of a stick you can see this man, this man has pushed a huge piece of rock from one place to another. So these are the three examples children which are quite clearly making you understand what is the lever. So let's revise what is the lever again. Children, a lever is a simple machine that can be used to lift or move heavy objects, cut things or open the lid of a tin. These are the three examples which I have already shown you with the help of a textbook. Children, here must remember the boy opening the tin box, then a scissor is a lever, then a man is using a stick to just push the huge piece of rock from one place to another. So I hope with the examples which I have shown you, you are able to understand what is a lever. Now children, let us move on to the next topic, that is a pulley. What is a pulley, children? Let us see. Children, a pulley is a simple machine that has a groove wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. Clear, children? And a pulley helps us to lift heavy objects without too much effort. So, how pulley is making your work easy? For this, children, there is an activity also being given in your textbook. Let us see. First, what is the example? First, you should see an example of a pulley that is a well and cranes. The pulleys are used to lift water from the well, and children, the cranes are used to lift heavy load and carry them from one place to another. And children, with the help of an activity, it is shown in your textbook. Let us see how you have to do that activity. To make a simple pulley and understand how it works, which things you need? A hanger, a wooden thread spool, a tape, a metal cutting scissor or pliers, a string and an eraser. And children, these are all shown in your textbook out here. You should just see how it is shown in your textbook. You have to make the pulley like this. And after making the pulley, you are able to lift the eraser very easily. And what will be the conclusion, children, at the end? As the spool rotates, the eraser gets lifted. As the spool, this is the spool, children, which is there in the middle of the stick here. And with the help of a spool, the eraser is lifted with the thread. So this is an activity which is given in your textbook. But children, here I am having a model of a well in my hand. Children, this is a model of a well which you also can make. See, children, you can use any other box or either you can use a plastic bottle like this. Cut it into half and then try to give an outer look of a well as it is given here with the help of this model. And children, after you give the look of a well to this, you can try to make it look like this. See, children, these are the two sticks which are being used here. And children, with the help of these two sticks, children, you can stick them at the side of the bottle here. And then children, you can use another stick to get this connected to one another. Then children, this kind of a pulley you can just try to take it from a sewing machine which you must be having at home and try to put it in the middle like this. Children, here you can use a small cap or you can just try to make a cap which is using in the form of a bucket. And children, here what I am going to do is I am going to put this bucket here in this pulley out here. And children, see what I am going to do is now after this I will try to push the bucket which is full of water and I will try to pull it above. And you can see with the help of this kind of a pulley, I am able to lift water from the well which is deep down the well. Very easily the water is going to come up. Clear, children? So even you can also try to make this kind of a model and try to learn what is a pulley all about. So try to make it, children, and see how a pulley works and how it makes the women or men to take out water from the well, and very easily they can lift huge bucket of water which is drawn from the well as it is shown here. Clear, children? So try to see again what are the things which you can use. Try to make this kind of a cutting of a bottle, then try to give it a look of a well, then you can try to make a bucket like this, and using these two sticks you can just try to connect them with each other and try to have this kind of a thing which can be there in your own house in sewing machines. Clear? And try to make a pulley of your own and try to understand how a pulley can make your work easy. So I hope, children, with the help of this activity which I have shown, with the help of this well, you can understand what is a pulley. And children, with the help of a scissor, you are able to understand what is a lever all about. So try to think and observe what all other things can be used in a form of a pulley and what all things are called levers. Clear, children? So try to revise the topic again and go through the video again to understand how I have explained you what is a lever and what is a pulley all about. And try to revise and try to make these kind of models which I have made to show you all what is a well and how it is having a pulley within, and with the help of a pulley a person is able to draw water easily from the well. So you can also try to make this kind of a model of your own. So children, for now I hope you are able to understand and try to make these kind of models for yourself and try to understand what is a lever and what is a pulley all about. So I say goodbye to you and have a nice day.